namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Of course, taka part 2 ya nyimpi ya Gagash na Psycho, already part 1 yiko na tavekela a link on top comment. So after very Psycho I ended video ya very Gagash via ata response style na ngo sungula I comment before ya ka live ya ye. Because if Gagash fika tsala multiple comments here langa fika komisa timhaka ta ku so fike vona Gagash komisa timhaka ta ku ingaze ihleka but mfana hi swilo hinkwaswo hi random statement lexiya kuza ichema itwa ku vava but ko va ku ingendli fokolo intwela ndlala yana yana switsale hi Gagash ku intwela ndlala as you can see kwala. And then he also continued and wrote, so why wena ingandli ta wena ti gig lo phova hi ntumbuluko xa to media xikimi kasi hi mina ntsena ndla ku ti gig itwa ku va name Psycho amara yako it's a fair point because Gagash yena ntsena ndla ku ti gig and mukuma Psycho khale ti gig ti khati hi karele na loko hi cheka ka account ya yo but for now ita swi reference swa yini ka live ya Gagash sure. I sorry for the quality of network Gagash. Mnani is the highest quality in network. Sure.
Okay, people. My name is Gashla Maswiti Lamaning, the only biggest boss in the game. The reason why in the life, I want to life, very psychology. I'm thinking, wala kufuka because back in the days, I thought psychology. Couldn't come with the tungo fati, tomatumu, wala kungana ba Belma Engan, about Dr. Joe. Mr. Pusa Tuma, what I'm going to yeah, and then in share relation link maybe is an artist. So but this is what is happening. Yeah, under life, under life. No, I don't check him, I don't even follow him. Whatever that is he could be doing is none of my business. So but what I've seen, I check one mission where this guy is talking about you. And it doesn't take anything away from me because I'm not hungry. I'm speaking from the comfort of my stomach. That's why whatever that I say in social media, I'm hungry, because I'm so that's why I can still repeat it. Whatever that I can say in your absence, I can still say it in your presence. Because I'm so comfortable. Okay, this guy I still kumeda maybe inganga kumbe inkambi kumbe I utaka gigi anga ona Gaza 123 ubuka vanhu tichomta yena that anga deserve there I know ibula chana afela nga deserve kubukiwa yena ibeti hit total. My man, I found you in this thing kukumekerela ka gigi leti ukundla music. I need someone else gonna pay me in it to follow psychology 123. I found you here. Ukunda swo swibelana swa wena khithamuka ku se man fente ka mali ni ku nika ku foko ta khohlola speaker. I'm not singing, but like that's not singing. What khohlola se men fente ka mali ni ku munhu khohlola na xiko xinga ni blame akore no xingota xikungwana nga warantseka u teka njhani mali ku nika munhu loyi ni tiva ku alovile family mo swa music iteka njhani mali inika munhu loyi ku ba. Man, if I've given you 2.5 I mean I'm going to initiate. Mahala through Jarvis. Let me tell you what you did. I don't do Shamahala. You said you release the album 123. I need the Shamahala because means you Gagashi but the least that I can do because I'm the planning Tamina. You transport. Hey, if only I'm going to transport. I phone this one go karungwan maybe elili malashi sibi la tlantswana pasha ko ta China 70 ni dila ni ngundlela ti means then no tifakela yo oba mkhalaje malembe but here
hai actually karungwan swa the beef swa payon maro ko imsa ko hala ko mse timhaka to karhi a endlela to defense ta yo a yi mahlayo ku ya yala ku ya hi narrative ya kona hi yona yi nga kombisa ku yi humese project and a yi ri willing ku va ya mahala ku hi sayitira hala ka Gagash loyi khe hi yingisela kwalaho. So a yi ri willing ku hi nga ya performa free of charge loko hi yingisela hi statement xa Gagash. Hikokwalaho leswi swa hluphanya na hi nge swi koti ku va hi ta swi verify ku i mana lolaku ntiyiso, mara ku hi ya hala ka sayiti ra Gagash i ri a yi le ku performa free of charge i va za ku ho ni yi chela i mali ya petrol. Laha still yi nga tlhela yi complain ku mali leyi fiki yi hela hi byala kwalaha ka the event. So a ni tivi yi la ku swi endlisa ku yini if a lo yisa mahala na ku a ku to tlhela ku va ku na conflict even more na Msayiko ku endleka yini Msayiko na narrative yaleyo a hi yena ntsena ndzhaku ti-gig. And then overall still na loko hi cheka ni vula ku like ti-gigs ta hi kala Msayiko hi rini last time loko yi va na gig hi ngo yaleyo I'm not sure if yi ve successful na ya ti 29 ta November 2025 i last time loko yi va na a gig la ya official letin'wana vona ti canceriwile la. So I don't know i khale yi nga se za yi va na ti-gigs, so no hlama loko yi tlhela yi fika yi huma hi ku hlasela hi Gagash. I don't know maybe loko yi nga long na vo Msayiko yi nge va yi plug-in le palm site yi kumela that gig. So na swo ku hisa hi tara ti-gig a swi le ku yi tikeleli Msayiko ku vula ntiyiso kwalaho. So but for somehow yo vheta yi sungula yi attack-a Gagash out of all the people va endlaku ti-events eka Gaza. So a redzi
Over Mkalaje, Malembe, but here, I will chumla. And there is nothing that you're gonna do. You're a small boy. You still don't quite that you can bring. You fana. No, no, put up what have you achieved after your musical journey. And I will answer that in simply the one award. Nashipena Shamika show, Collega Mungarone. But ask me what I've achieved, I'll tell you. Anybody you're free to come to me and ask me what have you achieved in your in your entertainment journey. I will tell you, I have something to show. I've done this. I've done this. I've done this. I call it benefit university. But this thing about me now, my man, I don't pay for the same moment. I pay for value. Value, I'm not talking about the heat. This person in a capacity of queen in terms of bringing what they call the people. So when if you think you rely, you're lost of no direction. I don't play such kind of nonsense. You have been there. It was your time. You should have shined. But simply because I wish go to Gutenzela or wish or Manana Dr. Joe. When they left you were nothing because you lack capacity. You don't have capacity. You don't have capacity. So people, I mean, it's not 17 the gig. Somebody cannot take the blame. Is because of me. No.
Nah, that's a fact. Leswi a khe hi swi kombisela ku na Msayiko ku hala kun'wana a yo ku tikuma tigigi khale yi kuma tigigi hi vo November. So va fika va yi buka hala kun'wana Gagash a yena ntsena endlaku tigigi and ko va na few areas a endlaku tigigi tiko ta ndleteliwa ti tele tigigi December mi vona ku ti tele njhani tigigi a yi fika yi kume something.
It's not the only place what they call it's not the only establishment that is what they call is booking artists. Why can't you go me Yankova Mugu, a Tiban Daule Yamagaza, why Mega Buktinta? Why Mega Sumia Pans Mugu, Daule Yamagaza, why Mega Buktinta? Me a Titela Wood and Dauta, Changanda, Machanganda. Why Mega? So you are so obsessed with 17. Why are you so obsessed with 17? If me I can't feed you, why I got one back feeder? If I can't do it, why I want to eat? You go around finishing my name, you could Kakashi that. Why are you so obsessed with me? If me I can't book you, why I want to book you?
I remember leswi ni tsundzuka ngopfu ina ni mhaka leya Ben Mayengani leyi loko Ben Mayengani a kha a lwa na Gagash hi yena a good reference point. Mi swi vona ku Ben Mayengani still a ha kuma tigigi hi 2022 even early 2023 loko va ha holova na yena na Gagash a ha tikuma tigigi hamba kha holova na Gagash. Sweswo swo kombisa ku if hi endla good work swo boha i bukiwa still Ben Mayengani a bukiwa swinene hambileswi Ben inani Gagash mi kuma ku hi ya kha fambe a buka Mr Post ntsena Ben Mayengani still a ha bukiwa you see. So it's very, very important to build that brand. So sure, psychology you suffering from crisis you I na brand you ku gagasha komisa kushona ngazi believe shona ku maybe ayotsegiwa hi vodokotela kwala bo Ben Mayengana and other artists mabona makadiwa no miss the post very very so hey read let's go
a Good Friday yabana gig na yini so igagashi na success namuntlha kunene kuna gig a Chibi Lifestyle kuna gig ka kokwancha kuna gig aka Nkurisi lani famba koko kuna gig aka Shoni. It's because of Gagashi. So your stupid followers, they will say, you are right. So to come to follow up poor about to twist it. Okay, kuna the gig in Kwakula, kama malamlele, means kuna the gig at Darwin kama kulek, kuna gig amateur resort. There is a lot of gigs which are there. So in Kwakula ko igagashi. Me. It's because of me. Matita tantolandala, my guy. Matita tantolandala. Psychology, you are too old to be acting your shoe sizes. You are too old. Kale kikosola la, ikimbelela ngokosola. Itala imagwini. You have done that in Karo.
Hey,
it's not my fault. But you come here with a lie, a nonsense. You are so smart to me. You are a boy. You can't tell me you are a boy. I don't care what you this. But I'm not going to boy, and you have a chance. Anything. And then what you are a boy. I've worked so hard to be where I am. And feel push up. Even those who have pushed me, but because I know what I'm doing. Psychology, I've never done anything to you. I don't owe you any shit. Recently, this guy, Javis Wa, like I no blue or blue water or something like I was start geeky or whatever, something like that. What they come in book psychology releasing, but it doesn't to me. I'm a Ketuamina, it has nothing to offer to me. It doesn't matter, my man. Look, better hit out Bella Gasho, Bella 17 lifestyle. Look, better hit to Bella Man, someone need to another similar or a patry. Since you left that Alakalipo poison or whatsoever, I've never heard any song. Look, me parties in Magaza, then time Tagadas, look, parties in Belmina, Bellavan. And the passes they gonna decide, no, this guy is so good. So now, someone else was trying to social media. No, there is no such. Marawe, utala, ufile, maybe I want you to try something new. Some music. I mean, at some point maybe Shalom family try not to Uber. Not the polo, not the polo, jiga, and that's what Uber. Positive psychology. Ito tapamula polo la minta sa Uber kasi ndala say minta mpenga muso musuna ko penga. People, the gig le ka ko ta Good Friday. Nam kuna ba spy course ba ko kola ai tibani. Abakona bana ba complain the gig. E me na so ikagash. Ya ka nkulu kuna gig na ko. Ka Stephen ko ikagash. Ya ka Sunset Villa Malonga. Liberala la fama na ko ikagash. Ya ka Shumi agandana na muntu igagash. Chibi Lifestyle na muntu igagash. Ni barinchi adamwi na ko igagash. Akwala bazanini shaka msoja igagash na ko. Minganipengeli. Look, if you have look miri abashishubula mela. So many family all over. That means I'm very powerful if that's the case. So why am I going to tell party? No, I'm the boss. Because me feel like I'm Gagashi. Gagashi is actually my man, music doesn't only revolve around me. People don't do things for me. They do for the people. Why are you so obsessed with my business? Why are you so obsessed with Gagashi in the business? Why are you obsessed? 17, if you don't want to be there, and for certain time, you know,
But kona hikuva fe ho vula ku hi project album yoleyo yi humesini a yi ngo tirha kahle na yo Psycho, so I don't know ku loyi kha yi ku tihiti a yi vula xinjhani, a yi ngo tirha kahle this project and stuff like that. So I don't know, na xilo lexi ra ku huma ku leri ra latest ra koho ra Hololo na rona a ri ku tirheni kahle, you see lera mina to u vatla Hololo a hi referencing even previously rona 87 views ntsena in 3 weeks mama. Mara ta khale khale nge ti langutise ku minkarhi leswi streama swi nga za swi va kona ku ri ngopfu hi languta ngo yo fanele ya ti-meeting leyi ya yo fana leyi, so ya swi vona ku a yi ngo streamiwa that much and stuff like that. So xi nga xi yi zamile i J John, ku na track leyi a feature na J John yi zamile leya ngoma vuyavuya, at least a yi zamile kuma 61,000 views. So J John a yi zamile Psycho la ko a ni vhele vanhu va languta na vito ku i risimu ra mani, so aku influencer am Psycho yo mo ka mga na that much influence, and unfortunately I'm not a brand, you see, so it's much of a problem lo kuma ku am na brand, you see. Nchaka track leya Hololo no yona topic to tala Psycho wena ko leya, so mkuma na track ayo tirha ka santiko loko yi kha yi n'wi hlasela yi va yi kha yi n'wi hlasela xinjhani Gagashi, so a ri
I will only intervene whenever now on kota. I'm not forcing any person. 11 job na nga bachina la 17 ngwa bachina to 2.5 la 17 tinhlambi leti ni buka ngwa tina to 2.5 entwela swo shawe fa kuma karwa ni ta shabu nga zawe wa fa ni karwa ni ku bitara ta ibra tin solo ku vikile ri tatala na hambana ku hake sisi mfuni ni ngona ku shitsi ku na be better
ya
na nga kusona DJ Gwinya, can you please tell Gwinya I'll call him back. Na nga kusona DJ Gwinya, can you talk to DJ Gwinya, I'm going to talk to him very soon. Why I'm feeling about Bukan Sena, Itala, but solo la, in Jella, Vicky, Tabaco, 17. All some music, you know, Fisher, Jagger, she could not
I look senator on Psycho. Yeah.
You didn't use your time. And I mean, I'm not feeling Carla Shunza. That's why you need to learn the school way, because last talk she should not change. You must start taking yourself serious, man. You must take yourself serious. Uroneta swa ti-Uber leswi swikoho swa va Uber mi ringeta ti-Uber kutani ku se u tshama u yimbela ku se ta ku nyika vuswa loko se i twa ndlala i ti ta ni rhuketela yi nga swi ku ni rhuketelela. I have no time for boys. You're a boy. You're a boy. And that shouldn't mean that you're a boy because of laha ku na nchumu laha ka wena. Ti tlhela ti bomba ku va swona unfortunately, man, no, I can't change anything. There is nothing that I can change, but what I can change your situation right now. You can change your situation in Andala because comment that. The reason why you're so obsessed with me is because you're hungry. It's because you're hungry. But you can still change that situation in Andala. Maramina, unfortunately, I can't change my lips or whatsoever. There is nothing that I can do. Unfortunately, I can't. By the way, at least we stand a chance. Tell us studio, I'm going to be honest. Ya gole ya imbelele ya khohlola mbu ya khohlola mtabuni amilo tlimbiwa I don't know sabi ya tlimbiwa kwa studio maybe sikombo shinga kuneka second chance but kuphelile ngona mali makuphelile mo lofika ma 2000 I mean ngona mali imbele fuka balabule uyalamla la kana mitsala tingoma musa ku imbelela shisha ku swivona ntsena la mu tamura ngoma no tamura mabelo la ka siwe tamura ko manu ba tamu ka ejile ka yona. That's all, chief. You need to be creative, bring something new, elevate yourself, position yourself.
Yeah,
should I figure my 2000 I mean if my man, love is the survival of the fittest. If people think men Robert and Trump so big, that means in smart. This guy is benefiting from the Trump. Kuna malinga taroga den Trump la 17. Kuna malinga Trump la 17. Himelo Joshua nilaka ya la akulu brane kan chumu 17. If one of the post at 17, I'm nilaki if one something I rana la 17. Lokura kuna malinga Trump. Wama kata kan malinga Trump. Ngala kufucha we nama. I'm here, Joshua. There is nothing happening at 17. I'm here. Se ibona mali ya tinhlambi bona ibone kuna mali ya tinhlambi la kuna mali nga tsaro kule khata kule ya tinhlambi la 17 loko kuri ko wa swi nga ri ku tleka nchumu loko 17 misile hi me leg ya swi wa nga ri ko para 17 is not me 17 you no rana 17 the way you think so mara kore tell me kuna mali ngwe ka kule ya tinhlambi ya psychology uta bisa xikwembu wena ma u ta yi bisa hi Xikwembu wena mani u ta famba u yi bisa hi Xikwembu i n'wi nyikela yini mali loyi loyi n'wi nyike chance ya ku endla mali a fika kun'wana tindlanga ku yeva wehe xilo xa fanele khorisa swimbali leswiya swi tisaka hambi ti-award hambi swidikisi leswi swiya ntirho wa swo yini mi tekateka swilo sweswiya nsimbi tetiya ngo teka tinsimbi tetiya loko ri ya kota ku xava byala fambe xa byala sweswi award sweswi loko ri award yaleyo ku ndla ku wehe fila ku ya wehe u deserve better teka award yaleyo sweswi no munhu ya xava movha sweswi ni nga ku ndlela nchumu ti ka sungula a wala loko tisa la ita thamuka tinjobo la 17 la ita pelu la normal level ho pass. You are a boy, you can't do anything, you are a boy. You won't even try me, you are a boy. You're a small boy, by the way.
So I Gagashi have another section. You come so psycho angava are jealous of Ben Maingan. Let's go.
Hey, shit song evela. I know I'm not problem why buga Ben Maingan. I know I'm a show me magabe. A lot of people will have problem why Benin sama kana buga kata. My man, when I book Ben, listen to an apartment to make. This one got the thing, not the thing, none of Tanalo. Look at the book up, this is the matter of the carry. It's not a joke. Look at me talking about when I book Benny, this is the matter of the day. None of what I tell 70 what I'm job with Supra Benny, I struck a shutdown. So many family in many family situation and some Martin Sax away, any book away, it after it like the job, I will let them check, even if the family with me. Oh, none of the success. I won't do that. I don't just for now for Chanta, Shama Commodore. No, I don't do those things. With some asking draw, okay, this week, this can bring this can bring this. So, if you look, tell you, feel it, look tell you, feel it, Rashman, on stock of Fella, Lala, at the level of stock of Fella for the Pilan, Yamakway, and Yamakway, village Tagalaman, with that's why sometimes you got up Bukamu, can be Kulanzela or Canara, because I never stop of Fella, the time, the Buka listen to Akunaku, let's start a business. It's very easy. Oh, who gave me Stasla? Ban wala kimbo lo ku mramba ban lava abapengi mali ku josunya mi mo kwata mi ri ntlambi ntiso ban lava ti event organizer ti pengi ba no kombisa namuntlha ntsena ikuma ku okay ba ku Beni iko akwini akankuru ba ku Beni iko ka kokwani Chauke a ni nga ri phati ya sweswo a ni tshama na phati ya sweswo ba ku Beni le kwini bana ba swi tiva ku na voku va lava yini se we ya blame me ka vanhu lava kwa tindhawu leti hinkwato ku rana Gagashi kwa mali pengi mina a ni tshama ni va
hayi mhaka yi twarini overall I think hayi
umla ku penga ri wexe psychology a ku vuriwa hetelela vulavula hi loko se wo la ku vulavula swin'wana se ta sungula ku antswa loko umla ku penga ri wexe psychology a ku vuriwa hetelela vulavula hi loko se wo la ku vulavula swin'wana se ta sungula ku cheka swinene ngopfu ni ku diga inside se ni ku vuyisa ni mani ta mani vulavula swo hemba mi vulavula swa mantiso ntsena munhu wa mantiso ntsena so a ndzi se va na nchumu xo ku xi tiva hi wehe sweswi I don't know anything about you no tiva ku hambi sweswi ni ngo ntlambi hambi yini hambi wo huwelela hambi wa fa humela Xikwembu a ni swi tivi na ku fa humela Xikwembu mara ni swi tivi ku yimbelela wo humela Xikwembu na ku fa humela Xikwembu so mandlozi ya wena nga ku kumi me ti ta ni rasela
hayi leswi loko ri amukeza subscribe ndza kombela mi tlika subscribe i tlha tsala na ta text Gagashi na yo mhaka ku a yi suka kusuka la no remember ku i tlha tsala swin'wana i tlha tsala another post yo hetelela la nga fatsa a kombisa timhaka ku psychology wo va rhayisi kam ni ku sendele mali ya rhayisi a ku vulavula wena ku khuluma ndlala you are not longer relevant ringeta swin'wana swo yimbelela swi ku tsandzeni ni ta ku hahlula swindlebyani sweswo hi mpama loko i bayiza yo murhi eyane hayi leswo xigazini leswo